I'm again repeating the sum, friends. 55 sum. How we did it? See, we know the u value. U value is equals to v. See, let me read the question. A stone is projected vertically up with a velocity v from the top of a tower reaches the ground with velocity to v. The height of the tower is, so u is equals to v and v is equals to 2u, and v square minus u square is equals to 2gh, because we are taking g as positive. Because see, friends, here the body is falling downwards, so we will take the g as positive. So 2v whole square minus v square is equals to 2gh. That gives you as 3v square is equals to 2gh. So h is equals to 3v square by 2g. And as I discussed second sum also, see, a stone is thrown vertically from the body, from the ground. It reaches maximum height of 500 meters in 10 seconds. After what time it will reach the ground from the maximum height reached? So we know that the time of ascent is equals to time of descent. So t is equals to 10 seconds. It is very easy bit. Now 53rd bit. So this is the bit we are going to discuss. Okay, this is the bit we didn't cover yet. Okay, how long does it take to a brick to reach the ground when dropped from height 65 meters? What will be the velocity just before it reaches the ground? So height is equals to 65. H is equals to half gt square is equals to 65. So gt square is equals to, yeah, what is the value? Yeah, 130. And g, let us take g value as 10, friends. Oh, so it will be good, pretty good. So g is equals to t square is equals to 13, and t is equals to root 13. And so root 13 will be approximately, we have to find root 13. So root 9 value is 3, root 16 value is 4, so it lies between 3 and 4. So let us choose which value according to that. Okay, so if we put 9.8, we may get nearly to 4, right? So we may choose the value with respect to the velocity. So let us find the velocity. V is equals to root 2gh, 2 times 5, 2 times 10 times 500. This gives you, so 2 times 5, 10 times 650, not 650, yeah, 2 times 650. So 2 times 650 gives you 1300. This is equals to 10 root 13. Okay, friends, so the root 13, so let us take root 13 value near to the 4 and near to the 3, both shall we take. So t value in first case 4, and in v value in this case we are gonna get 40, right? And if we take 3, t value will be 3, and in this case it will become 30. So let us check which is the correct option. See, okay, so this is the velocity we obtained. So now we have to, yeah, see, what is the question he asked? Yeah, see, for check, friends. Yeah, we had options. Okay, so let us fix the second option, friends, because our values are near to that. So 3.64, actually we calculated approx. If we do it in a correct way, like root 13, we will get this values. If you want, you can check with those. Root 13 value is 3.64 seconds, and root 13 times 10, so that means that value is 35.67, like that is coming. So this is the values you can put, friends, but this values will obtain only when you put 9.8 in the place of g, friends. If you put 10, we will get only approx. To say it easily, I have put 10 in those place, but when you're gonna write exams, you have to put 9.8 only. When they didn't mention, if they mention 10 particularly, then you have to put 10. If they didn't mention, you have to put 9.8, friends. To understand better way, I told you with the 9.8. Okay, a stone is dropped from top of a tower of 300 meters. So h is equals to, yeah, 300 meters. And at the same time, another is projected vertically upwards with a velocity of 100 meter per second. So v is equals to 100 meter per second. See, see, 300 meters height. At the same time, another is projected vertically upwards. So one is freely falling body, and let us think that it is projected from a building. Okay, that building height is 300 meters, and it is projected vertically downward, freely falling body. Okay, so what will be its acceleration will be 9.8, and another one is projected vertically upward. So how they gave us the velocity, right? So let us understand what we are going to calculate. Okay, yeah. So find when and where the two stones meet. So where the two stones are gonna meet. So they are gonna meet. Let's discuss how much time it takes to meet and how much distance they both are gonna cover. Okay. So let us calculate. So what is our h value, my difference? Yeah, it's a 300. And what is our v value, my difference? 100. So v is u or v is v? Yeah, u is v is the. So what is the 100 meters? Yeah, it's u. So let us substitute, my difference. H is equals to 300 is equals to, we don't know the t, so we are going to find the t. To 100 t minus 1 by 2 into 9.8 into t square. Why I'm going to take g minus g in the place of a, because it is traveling in the direction of force, which the stone which is projected vertically downward, but we are going to discuss about the stone which is projected vertically upwards. So we are going to put, yeah, we are going to put minus g. So substitute my difference. So 300 is equals to 100t minus 4.9 t square. So let us take this into a quadratic equation, my difference. 4.9 t square minus 100t plus 300 is equals to 0. So by solving this quadratic equation, what you are going to get? Let us do it. So what is the formula of, what is the Sridhar formula, my difference? Yeah, Sridhar formula is C minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So let us substitute those values. What is the b value, my dear friends? Minus 100. So 100 plus or minus root of 10,000 minus 10,000 minus 4 times 49 by 10 into 300. Okay, friends, see. Okay, by 2 into 49 by 10. Okay, see. I'm just gonna find the value. See, friends. But you can find it without my help. But let me explain. Okay. So first, take the 10 common in those brackets. So it will be easy for you. 1000 minus 12 into 49 by 9.8. So friends, see, what is the value of 12 into 49? Let us calculate. So you can use the Vedic maths, which is see, first you have to do 12 into 50, friends. What is the value of 12 into 50? Yeah, it's absolutely correct, 600. And what is the value of 12 into 1? See, what you have to do is 12 into 50 minus 12 into 1. You can do it in a normal way also, but this is easy, friends. Minus 12. So subtract the value. So you get 8, 8, 5. So yeah, I think you know subtractions very well, pretty well. So 588. Okay. See, 100 plus or minus root of 10 times. I'm not going to use any calculator, friends. I think you saw it. 1000 minus 588. Okay. So 1000 minus 500 is 500. 500 minus 88 is say it out. No problem. Yeah, 412. So 100 plus root of 10 into 412. Okay, by 9.8. Somewhat my voice is somewhat awkward. Don't worry. Sometimes it may be like that. Okay. 412. 412. So we have to cube square root it, right? So what is the value we obtain when we square root it? Say it. 103 times 4 times 10. So let us divide it. It can be written in the form of squares or roots. Let us find. So yeah, 100 plus or minus root of 103 times 10, and out of the root we got 2, as we know. So 50 plus or minus root of 103 into 10 by 4.9. So friends, by solving this whole equation, the value we obtain for t is 3. So it's a pretty large process. So I think you can do it. I think I wasted a lot of time to you. So yeah, but you just do it on your own, friends. See if you get imaginary numbers, if it is correct if you get imaginary numbers, but you neglect the imaginary sign, because I just neglect I, because if you think with I, you won't get a valid answer. You just neglect I and you just subtract and add those things, and you just find the t value. Maybe you get some disturbance, no problems, because my phone has fallen down, so you got some disturbance. And the next so first we found the t, and then next we are going to find, yeah, please say, yeah, we are gonna find where those two meet. So we are gonna find distance, right? So distance, h is equals to h is equals to 100 into 3 minus 49 into 9. So 300 minus 4.1. This gives you 255.9 meters. Okay, so let us discuss the 55th sum. So friends, yeah, read the 55th sum, friends. See, an object reaches the maximum vertical height of 23 meters when it is thrown vertically upwards on the earth. How high would it travel on the moon when the acceleration due to gravity is 1/3 that of the earth? Assume the initial velocity is same. So friends, oh sorry, I missed 55th sum. Let us cover 55th sum later. So as we read 56th sum and as we started, let us continue it. Okay. Okay, see friends. So the cliff. So sorry, what is the maximum height reached by the object? Yeah, h max is equals to 23. What is the value of h max, friends? Please say. Yeah, u square by 2g. Okay, so 23 is equals to u square by 2g. Okay, so what is our earth gravity, moon gravitational pull going to be? Yeah, g by 6. So 23 is equals 23 into 6 is equals to u square by 2g into 6, right? So 23 times 6 is equals to the gravitation on the moon. 20 times 6. So find out the value, friends. Yeah, what is it? Yeah, 138 meters. Okay. Okay, friends, you can do it in a very short way if you need, and you have to find the ratio first. You don't need to do it if you know the shortcut. Actually, I did it in a shortcut way. I think you understood it. Okay. Yeah. So we are going to discuss 57 sum, right? Yeah. I think you can say it. A helicopter is ascended vertically with a speed of 8.0 meters. So V is equals to 8.0 meters at a height of 12 meters above the earth. So H is equals to 12 meters, and a package is dropped from window. So you find when your area is affected by floods, or when an area is affected by floods, you will see in news that the helicopters, some army people and some social servants may drop some food particles, parcels to that area. So this is happened in the same case. We are going to read that case. Okay, so a package is dropped from the window. How much time does it take for the package to reach the ground? So we are going to find the time. Okay friends, see, u is equals to 8 meters per second and h is equals to 12 meters, and it is ascending. So what do you have to take the d as? Yeah, please say. Absolutely 8 minus, right? See, h is equals to half gt square ut minus half gt square. So 12 is equals to 1 by 2 into 9.8 into t square of minus plus 8t. So 12 is equals to 8t minus 4.9 t square. So again it is going to be a quadratic equation. Let us solve it, but let us do it in a pretty fast way. 4.9 t square minus 8t plus 12, plus 12 is equals to 0, and t minus 8 plus or minus root of 64 minus 49 by 10 into 12 into 4. So 8 plus or minus 4 root see friends, 4 cube, what is the value of 4 cube? Yeah, what? 64. So 4, let us take the 16 from out from the bracket. So 4 minus 44.9 into 3. Okay, so by 9.8, 4.9 and so let's take the 2, let's take the 4 common, let us divide it. So what are you going to obtain the bracket? See, 2 plus or minus root of 4 minus 4.9 to 3. So let's calculate the value. What is the method I said? 30 into 3 is equal to 150 minus 3. So 147. Okay, 4 minus 4.7. Okay, so just remember the point, you can put the afterwards when you completed the equation solving. I did as it is. So minus 10.7 by 4.9. So by solving this equation, you're gonna get the t value as 2.5 approx. Okay, so you get imaginary numbers, you can't find the absolute value, you're gonna get approx. So do you have the option 2.5 approx? So we are gonna find the displacement, right? Sorry, I forgot it. So let's find the displacement. So we are gonna find not displacement, not time. Yeah, I'm correct. 2.5. So do you find it? 2.53. Yeah, option 4, right? Elevator is going up. The variation in the velocity of the elevation is as given in the graph. What is the height to which the elevator takes the passengers? Okay, so by this sum we are going to stop because from the next sum, okay, let us come to 60. Okay, after this sum, in the next video you can watch. If you like my video, please subscribe. Okay, see, and share, and don't forget to share, friends. Okay, 58. Okay, actually these are the exemplar sums of kinematics. I think you saw my previous videos, so you know everything. I'm just making thorough you so that you can attempt your exams well. Okay, see friends, so just draw. If you have a notebook with you, just draw the graph so it may be somewhat clear to you. So let's read the question now again. If the elevator is going up, the variation in the velocity of the elevator is as given in the graph. What is the height to which the elevator takes the passengers? So we are gonna find the h max. Okay. So okay. Have find the first find the distance hypotenuse. So you just find the hypotenuse of these, and we are gonna add it. Okay, see, half into base into height into 2, because we find two triangles. Yes, first we are gonna find the triangles value. So um, so we are gonna multiply with 2 because we have two triangles. So what will it happen? B into h. Okay, what is the value of b into h, friends? Yeah, 7.2. So both triangles value we found out, and now we are going to find for the triangle. So for triangle, 8 into 3.6 is equal to 28.8. So for the triangles, 3.6 times 2, and for the for the rectangle, 8 into 3.6 is equal to 28.8. 28.8 plus 7.2 is equals to 36 meters. Okay, 58 sum is pretty easy, so we completed it very fast. Actually, all these sums are very easy, friends. Okay, 59th sum. If you get any doubts, please call my contact number 9849572819. Okay, please note it down, friends. If possible, I will post a small paper chip in this video with my phone number. If not, you just note down enough. So if you have any doubts, you can call me. Okay. It's my WhatsApp number. You can also text it. Because I will be in classes. So text me. I will solve in a pretty good way. Because when I'm in classes, you may call, and so you may have classes when I'm free. So it is pretty good if you text me. So let us discuss the 59th sum. The displacement time graphs of two moving particles make angles of 30 degrees and 45 degrees with the x-axis. The ratio of the two velocities is, okay, so v1 by v2 we are going to find. So v1 by v2, so tan 30 by tan 45. What is the value of tan 30, friends? Yeah, 1 by root 3, and tan 45, 1. So 1 by root 3 is to 1. So the value is 1 is to root 3. And 59 is very easy. Okay. And 67. This is also very easy, friends. Okay. For the displacement time graph shown in the figure, the ratio of the magnitudes of the speeds during the first 2 seconds and the next 4 seconds is. Just draw the graph so it may be easy for you. Okay, friends. Okay, I think you draw it. 20 meters, 2 seconds. Okay. Yeah. So first half into base into height is equals to half into 2 into 20 is equals to 20. Okay. Velocity 20 by 2 gives you 10. Okay, 20 meters and 20 by 2 gives you 10. Okay, 10 meters per second. Okay, so velocity by see, we are gonna compare the velocities, right? So v1 by v2, 10 is to 10 by 5 is equals to 2 is to 1. Okay, so option 2 is to 1. Option Yeah, option 2. So if you want my contact number, please give a message to this number. Yeah, my contact number, please WhatsApp your doubts to me. I have written here. Okay, thank you. If you like my channel, please subscribe my channel, and please comment the videos which you liked, and if the description, and please do comment in the comment box for the description of the video you liked. So thank you, and if you like my videos, please share it to your friends also, so they may get educated. Thank you.